Hi everyone, this is Amy and welcome back to my channel. Today we're making watermelon rind kimchi. For this dish we need about a 3-pound watermelon. This is a baby watermelon. We're just gonna cut off the end so we have a safer surface to work on. Flip it over on the flat side and we're gonna simply cut this in half. And this watermelon is beautiful. So we're going to cut each half into 1-inch wedges. And then we're going to cube this into 1-inch wedges or 1-inch pieces as well, each of the wedges. And just flipping that over to make it a little easier. Then we're going to go in and cut the green part of the skin off and just reserve the white part. Use a smaller knife because it's a little safer and it's a little bit more precise. You can save the fruit to make juice or smoothies or whatever you want. So I'm just popping that in a Ziploc and all the rind into a bowl. We're going to salt this with a teaspoon of salt. Just to start drawing out a little liquid. Mix that thoroughly and set that aside while we work on our aromatics. We're going to need 3 cloves of garlic and about a tablespoon of ginger. We're just going to mince these both up really finely before popping them in a bowl, along with 3 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of toasted sesame seeds, 4 tablespoons of rice wine vinegar. I only had apple cider, so that's what I'm using instead. Giving that a little mix, a tablespoon of sesame oil, and 2 tablespoons regular soy sauce. Now this is optional. You can do it spicy, I'm using 3/4 cup, or you can do it less spicy, and that would be about 2 tablespoons. Adjust it to your spicy level tolerance. Then we're going to go in and mix this up thoroughly, making sure that sugar is dissolved. Now we're going to tip this over our watermelon rinds, scraping all of that goodness in there. We're going to massage this around to make sure all the watermelon rinds are thoroughly coated. Now we're going to need a container with a lid. I'm using my water seal jar because I love it and it's perfect. And the nice thing about this, you put a little water, put the lid on it, and it seals this completely. And we're going to let this sit in the fridge overnight. So now it is the next day and this kimchi is ready. So I'm just popping some into a small bowl. Now let's go ahead and give this a taste. I'm pretty excited. The rind itself has a little bit of sweetness left. You get spiciness from the gochugaru. You get the aromatic ginger and garlic. This is absolutely delicious and so easy to make. But there it is, watermelon rind kimchi. I hope you all try to make this in your own. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. I really do appreciate every single one of you. If you like this video, give it a like. If you loved it, please consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell because I put out new videos every Thursday. Thank you again, and until next time, happy cooking.